Jack back there. Jack, come up. Jack. Oh, hey. What? I didn't know you were still in here.
I've been under the 2 trees. You're right there? Yeah, it was over my head.
Well, why didn't you come in here with me? Well, I believe you. And, the water's so warm. For real. So
Wait, which way is it looking? Okay, I got you. Woo!
yeah, I think you can go underwater with it because it's a life-proof case. Oh my god, it's so bad underwater. Yeah.
Hey, it's not my fault. It is my fault at all.
I'm sorry. I'm gonna go over there and get that raft. Is there another single? Is there another single harm? Yeah. It's going against the current. Let's go. Let's go. Oh man. Okay. So that's what we're doing. The laziest hill today. Yeah. Actually, because this is called the laziest.
We need to get on the highway.
Yeah, we should. Yeah, them jets, man. The jets are crazy.
Jet train?
No, jets are crazy.
Yeah.
They shoot you and they go up your bum. Oh, you're getting raped.
Dude, this thing's hurt. We've been in here like 10 minutes.
Yeah, dude, this water is so warm.
It feels good though.
You guys leave in the comments if you have ever been to water country.
Yeah. Do it.
So.
Oh wait, I forgot my hello as in oink oink.
Oh.
Oink oink.
Hello, it's DJ Womp. Okay, Womp. I just have to. Okay, I'm gonna actually go in the water. See if you can hear me. I can hold my breath for a long time. A really long time, actually.
Can they see it clearly underwater?
I don't know. Can you?
Did you switch the camera?
Yeah. No. It's not like this. So, I think we're gonna go like 2 more go-arounds, and then we're gonna go to Optizoid, and then we're gonna start next week. And Optizoid. Optizoid's cool. That's what you do.
I would be doing this off my phone, but I don't have a fireproof.
So this is gonna come out from my channel. So if it's on my channel, go to some Sneaky channel.
Yeah.
I think I'll put a link. I'll put a link to your channel, yeah. And then it's your video. Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta do that. So we'll click the link and go to my channel.
Yep, and then we'll go to all your page and stuff. So they can subscribe, watch your videos and stuff. They probably have more chance finding Jack Morris. Oh, no, we deleted that one, didn't we?
Yeah, we got rid of it. It's gone.
Oh, well, it's still alright. It's quite alright. I don't there should be another one uploading of the,
My father one.
Should be. I don't think it is, though. We don't know. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Sorry, little girl. Okay, well, we're gonna end it here. We'll see you at Optizoid.